get you some. Oh, yeah. Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow! G'day lovelies, welcome back. Alrighty, today we're going to be doing some deviled eggs. So I'm waiting on a Woolies delivery, or as the kids call it, the munchie truck. But I do have some eggs, and I do have mayo and paprika. So for deviled eggs, you can use whatever mayo you want. And I'm using sweet paprika, but you can use plain or smoky. So the first thing we want to do is put as many eggs as you want into a saucepan with cold water. We want to put it on the stove top and bring it up to a boil. As soon as it starts to boil, we want to turn it down to a simmer and set the timer for 7 minutes. Now the reason we want it on a simmer is because we want our eggs to dance in there. We don't want them in a mosh pit. If they're smashing together, they're going to split all open everywhere. Once our eggs have been simmering for 7 minutes, we want to take them straight off, empty out the water, fill it up with some cold water and start peeling them warm. Alrighty, once our eggs are done, we want to get a knife and we want to cut them in half, and then we want to get them and then press the middle gently into a bowl and set the halves aside. Now before we go any further, the general rule is 1 teaspoon of mayo per egg, and there's 4 teaspoons to a tablespoon. Okay, so I've got 9 eggs, so that's going to be 2 tablespoons and a teaspoon, or a little bit of a heaped tablespoon. So I'm putting 2 tablespoons of mayo in there. Now if any of your eggs break, you just chuck them in with the yolks. Now depending on how much you like paprika is how much you want to put in. So I always say less is best because you can always add more. So I'm just going to put half a teaspoon. Make that a quarter. Smash it with the fork. Always give it a taste test. I think a quarter of paprika is perfect, quarter of a teaspoon with 9 eggs, because we also sprinkle it over the top. Now with a teaspoon, we just get our egg yolk and we stuff it in. So basically, if you break a few eggs and you've got a few more whites in there, you'll be able to pile them up a bit higher. If you don't break any eggs and it's all just yolks, just do it just roughly just above it. Alright, once we've done that, you now want to get a pinch of paprika and you want to just pinch it all over. Now you can serve them up however you like. Normally I like to get a plate and put some lettuce on it and then put them all on like that. But I don't have any lettuce, so I'm just going to stick them in a bowl today. Now, so you can put them in the fridge covered in Glad wrap and they will last a week. And these are great little things if you're trying to lose a bit of weight and you want to swap your munchies out for something else. Having something like this in the fridge where you can just go and grab a couple and you're done is awesome. Well, there you have it, lovelies. Old school deviled eggs. It's a quickie, but a goodie. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome weekend. And I'll see you all on Monday night for our 500th video. Oh yeah, baby. Toodles.